Hello again, this is Jason, day 5 of our incredible journey across the southwest United States. These pictures you're looking at now, you're looking straight up in the famous Antelope Slot Canyons. This is also looking straight up above our head. Antelope Canyon is a sandstone slot canyon. It's a series of different slot canyons located in the Navajo reservation just south of Page, Arizona. This right here is the entrance into the slot canyon. This is looking straight up above our heads. We visited this year in late March, as opposed to the other times I've been in June when the sun was directly overhead. It was unique this time, and it was actually really neat compared to the other times I visited, and I was not disappointed the other times I visited, but the sun is not directly overhead in late March. It's more off in the distance, just coming out of winter. And so the sun is not shining directly to the bottom of the canyon. This causes some really neat light fall off from the top of the canyon down to the bottom. There were places in the bottom that it was extremely dark, but everywhere we looked, when we looked up, the top of the canyon, 20, 30, 40 feet above our heads, was brightly lit up. And sometimes the transitions from the brightly lit to the very bottom of the canyon, it was pretty abrupt, and it made for a really neat light fall off that I did not fall off of the light, and the way the light reflected off of the sandstone, like right there, that I did not see when I visited in June. This was a rather unique experience. You can see how in that previous picture the light was not shining clear down to the bottom, but it looked like a bright orange light bulb was lighting up the ceiling. I would highly recommend visiting this, or go on their website. You can Google Antelope Canyons. There's this canyon and a handful of other canyons that you can visit. You have to hire a Navajo guide. You can't just show up and walk into the canyons, and they do fill up fast, especially in the summer months when they're more popular. So I do recommend Google them and check them out if this is something that would interest you. So you can see how the bottom is really dark here again. It's just kind of a real unique feel that I didn't have when I visited this in the summer. But the summer is amazing too for different reasons. That's yet another one looking up at the bright sunlight and just little glow down at the bottom. It's a pretty quick tour. I don't think you're in the canyons much longer than 30 minutes. The guides are usually really knowledgeable. They're really neat to listen to when they talk. And again, this is just south of Page, Arizona. And if it's something that you think you'd be interested in, go to the website, Google Antelope Canyon or Antelope Canyon Navajo Reservation, and a bunch of different things will pop up, and you can start looking through it and begin your journey into a place like this. Coming up tomorrow will be day 6